Hello, folks. My name is Wilson Telmo Luis. I am Haitian and I came to the US in 2016. I have degrees in communication, law, and legal science in Haiti. When I came to Boston, I studied paralegal and human services. My goal is to use the power of filmmaking to improve conflict management in society. Here is my film. Thanks for watching.
Now, paying bills is a problem.
He doesn't want to pay.
He doesn't want to pay. Okay, now telling me that he wants to open a business account and the business account is going to cut off the bill. Now, under my name, he's owing almost $900.
But that's the first time that happened to you?
Eh?
That's the first
time.
But listen, are you losing your mind? Because you're not a kid, man. You have to learn, man. You learn the hard way.
I want you to talk to him. He needs to pay the money because if he doesn't pay the money, it's affecting me. It's messing up my credit.
Flex. I have to tell you the truth. There's nothing I can do. Just call him and say, hey, pay your bill. Listen, I understand you come over and explain that to me. I'm nice enough to listen to it, but you should not do that to yourself. You know that?
Now I know because I text him say, yo, Ronel, give me some payment.
I'll make some phone call. That's why we do every day. People come. No problem. That's what I do every day. People come and they talk about others and try to resolve the problem. I'm a resolver. That's Junior's life. Yes. Combien de chambres besoin? On seule chambre besoin pour habiter. Yeah. Hello? Washington Street, Dorchester. Good? Okay. Et nous jeune monde pour eux? Et qui est le Calvin Well?
Non, pas ça. Non, pas ça.
Elle regarde le pour et puis qui sont elle pour vous. Elle s'ouvre et puis elle va voir. Ici Zaki dans 524 Rive Suite Madapen et aussi Junior Bussette fait partie de association. My business is Belltop Services. Traduction document même qui besoin fil forme immigration, taxe à griffon même qui a cherché un caille. Yon chambre, 2 chambres, 3 chambres à coucher, ou même qui besoin, yon grande chambre pour louer. We've been working in the Haitian community for a long time. 524 Rive Suite, Madapen. The big issue is service, housing, paperwork, food stamp services, for example. Sometimes they don't know where to go. On propose, et puis on retourner encore, et non pas moi, c'est Junior Bussette, depuis la radio Belltop 107.5 FM.
All right, thank you. Mayor Wash, please come forward.
Thank you very much. It's an honor to be here today. In Massachusetts, we have the 3rd largest Haitian population in the United States of America. We love our community. We love our people.
The government scare a lot of people.
So we'll continue to stand with you.
Immigrant is really scared. I do remember back in the day when immigrants want to come to this country, they're really happy because they said this is a paradise. My dream can become truth. But right now, a lot of people are scared.
But just get out there and vote on Tuesday. It's something that we have to do.
When I came here, I was a young man. Even I did not speak English at the time, but my family helped me a lot. And I said, okay, after my education, I just want to help people. And I try to give back to the community. Tito, we do have the TV right here. You want to have an interview?
Let's do it.
Let's do it. Yesterday, I heard you over another Haitian radio station. You're talking about housing. What's the big issue for the immigrant when they just came from another country?
Yeah, well, so immigrant communities get taken advantage most when it comes to housing. In my administration, we would double the requirements for affordable housing.
Well, what's most important the immigrant people have to know?
What I want my immigrant communities to know, especially Haitian brothers and sisters, it's small businesses that if they grow, you're going to hire people if your business grows.
Definitely.
And we need to be supporting immigrant businesses and Haitian-owned businesses.
Definitely. This is Junior from Belltop Services Marketing. Please give me a call back at 617-230-3099. Thank you so much. Bye-bye. Hey.
Bonsoir.
Hey,
Comment est?
Très bien, comment activité?
Et me dit bon, on passe côté là justement pour me comment pour faire appartement me pas la vola, pas connait comment on aider.
Well, c'est difficile pour nous jeunes appartements à Boston, parce que Boston est extrêmement cher. Okay. But elles ont pas move et Randolph là.
Non, pas Randolph là. Je voulais rester boy ici là côté qui me venir, côté me virer dans zone là pour me un service.
A lot of people coming from Haiti without paper. They need to know the right. They need to know where to go and to get some service. When you are an immigrant, you don't know certain things, but we try to guide them. Bon, mais soit habiter l'autre côté tout là, puis bon pour pratiquer parce que si tu es dans créole trop, les soit pas capable pratiquer.
Le problème qui se pose.
If the service they're looking for, we cannot provide them, we guide them to other non-profit organizations or government agency to get the service properly.
Général, manager, Junior Biscuit.
That's right.
C'est ça me dit?
Bien sûr.
Okay.
I'm the guest speaker in that party tonight. You know, that's why I come over if you can give me a good haircut, man. Do you have my number?
Yeah, I got your number.
Okay. Well, the reason I say that is right now, the new owner, he doesn't like you guys.
No.
Make a plan, man. Just move on, man. You're limited, man. Because some people don't want to come over here. You know, serious, man. Call me and we can talk about it and see if we can make a plan to have a good barber shop. And to be a good, successful businessman, you have to have a plan. You know my number. Call me, man. Thanks.
Junior Biscuit, Beltop Services.
Merci beaucoup. Et nous avons salué l'organisation, nous faisons partie, qui c'est Massachusetts Association of Haitian Parents. Ils ont l'école dans Boston, dans Massachusetts, mais là, dans Mattapan Square, et dans Mattapan, quand il y a pensé, Timoun, dans Kindergarten 1. On applaudit l'organisation ça. Massachusetts Association of Haitian Parents. This is an organization who help parents from Haiti who doesn't speak the language because they just came here. They don't know exactly what's the best public school in your neighborhood. We try to give you direction where to apply. Comme ça, je voulais dire que nous avons 6 jeunes qui posent candidat dans Massachusetts. Sous ou même qui peut aller ou pas encourager les jeunes à venir, lui même il peut le décourager. Et là le décourager, qui ça peut arriver, il peut servir l'autre communauté. Et à partir que il servir l'autre communauté, le ça qui est-ce qui a perdu ressources jeunes à eux, c'est nous-mêmes. Merci beaucoup. Comme je vous appelle Junior, non pas M. Junior Busset, c'est moi qui est responsable ici. Hein. Combien de temps vous avez ici?
21 ans.
21 ans et vous ne parlez pas l'anglais, man?
Bon, moi, je ne sais pas parce que je ne parle pas l'anglais, je ne pas fréquenter les gens qui parlent anglais. Mais je fréquente les haïtiens, depuis moi, haïtien, je suis content, ça veut dire haïtien.
Jusqu'à présent, vous n'avez pas de licence États-Unis dans poche ou pas qu'à faire l'application, pas qu'à. C'est ça qui fait ça?
Parce que je n'ai pas de papier.
Oh, je n'ai pas de papier. Vous faites 21 ans aux États-Unis sans papier, man?
When we come to this country, you have to know this country is not yours. Respect the rules and regulations.
Je connais, vous êtes capable de toujours régler faire ça. Et pour qu'il y ait un papier dans le pays, pour qu'il fonctionne normalement.
Pour le monde, la question, c'est que nous ne parlons pas l'anglais. Et ce n'est pas que nous ne parlons pas l'anglais, mais.
Parce qu'on est dans la réalité.
Et dès lors, on apprécie ça, mon cher, son jeune tout qui a encouragé des jeunes parents qui ont fait des travaux positifs dans la communauté. Hein, et éditorialiste, nous.
When you came here, you have to have a certain goal. And to attain that goal, you have to have principle. The minute you have that principle, you will be fine and everything will be a success for you.
Merci beaucoup. Dès lors, pour nous, on est capable de continuer la radio Beltop 107.5 FM.